and it's not designed to do that. It's just designed pre-razor blade, or just to get, you know, get it finer. Good for trimming, lining everything up. My beard with just no extension. And as you guys can hear, it's working. Hello my friends, and welcome back. So today we are reviewing something I'm actually really excited to review. This is probably the most coolest looking men's electric hair clipper that I've ever seen. I mean, this is really cool. 0-inch cutting, lithium-ion battery, stainless steel blades. This is really cool. Digital display for battery left. I mean, overall, I'm super impressed, and it looks like you can get like a copper color and a bronze type color, or gold type color. This is the copper. You guys know I love precious metals, so copper, I like collecting different colors. So yeah, in the box, it gives you the manual. It gives you just a couple little ends here. I'll show you what you get. We're gonna demonstrate this for you guys, so just hold on in a minute. So you got a 3mm, you got the charging cable. It is a Type-C charging cable, so you know this is an upgraded device. Cleaning brush, 1mm, 6mm, and then of course the stainless steel blade, which, let's see here, okay, you just popped that off. Boasts a 0-inch cut is what it claims. So there's some oil that's going to be on it for right away. Make sure you go ahead and wipe that off before you go and put it on your face. But this is really nice, guys. Looks like on the bottom is the on-off switch, and then it goes ahead and it says 85, so that would be 85 battery life. Go ahead, turn it off from the bottom. This is really nice. So it does have some weight to it. It's not cheap plastic. I don't know about you guys, but I get tired of the cheap, really cheap knockoff plastic. So it's nice to actually a solid metal. That's really nice. Let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna try and do this as good as I can to show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna try and look in the mirror while this camera's looking at me to try and show you how good. So I'm going to try this here. So we turn it on the bottom. You can easily do that with one hand. We're doing the 0 cut. If you guys can see all the scruff up here. Hopefully I got the camera angled good. It's a little tough doing this. Obviously I could do a better job if I wasn't holding a camera, my friends, but my beard with just no extension. And as you guys can hear, it's working. And I don't know if you can see, but it is cleaning it up very nicely. Now, my hair's getting in the way now. Yeah, it is cleaning up very, very nicely. It's cutting the hair very well. Yeah, overall, great. I like it, guys.